Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our March Whiff Box. March Whiff Box. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. And with that is the link to subscribe your email to my Wickless weekly newsletter. I have a special perk for new subscribers and a special coupon in every email. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Scentsy has a whiff box every month. This is a $35 box and it's always a discount versus what you're actually getting inside. And not only that, but I think it was in December, they announced that every month's whiff box will include an exclusive product only in the whiff box. Like, you will not be able to purchase this item separately. You can only get it if you purchase the whiff box. And the whiff boxes always have like a seasonal theme. So it's always like on trend. It's always different. Every single month we have a new theme with a new arrangement of products and fragrances and the exclusives. And not only is the discounted box for that $35 price, but you can get it even cheaper. You can get it half off for only $17.50 through Scentsy Club. Stay tuned to the end of this video because I've already pre-filled you a Scentsy Club cart of items that I think are perfect for March. And it includes enough that you unlock the half price credit that you can use to get this whiff box for only 17 bucks. So here she is. It's not really pretty upon opening. Of course, we gotta have all the paper and stuff to make sure that nothing gets thrown around. But on the top of the box is the pamphlet for this month. This one says, "Some bunny is hopping by." Oh my goodness, I wonder who it is. This says, "It's Easter time and your March Whiff Box is full of surprises. We've selected new fragrances to put a spring in your step, and there's an extra fun with an exclusive Scentsy Buddy clip and a Spring Summer 2024 catalog. You can share your unboxing moment with the hashtag Scentsy Whiff Box at Scentsy on Instagram and Facebook." Also, Easter is in March this year. Whenever I brought that up to Brandon, he said, "Isn't Easter in March every year?" Anyways, we are going to dive into waxes first and then the other items and the exclusive. But we get 3 full Scentsy bars in this month's whiff box. So we get a bar of Wild Cherry and Sakura, which is a brand new release. It is a very good performer, and it's one that reminds me a lot of Sugar Cherry that we used to have years ago, literally years ago. Like, I think it was in the fall winter ones of like my first fall winter catalog in 2017. We also get a bar of Lemon Lime Fizz. This is actually the wax that I'm warming in my office and in Maddie's bedroom right now. This is from the Easter collection, and I'm really surprised with how much I like this. It's very, very nice. And it reminds me a lot of Cocoa Lime. So if you like Cocoa Lime, which did return in the catalog, thankfully, try out Lemon Lime Fizz while it's still available. You can also add this to Scentsy Club so that you'll continue to get it. Even after the Easter collection, it goes back, or is taken off the shelves, goes back into the vault. And then we also get a bar of the April scent of the month. This is Sunshine Mango. If you want a little sneak peek of the April warmer of the month, here it is. How freaking adorable. This is Sunshine Mango. I'm excited. And I'm hoping it's going to be good. I'm not usually a big fan of mango. That's just my personal preference. Oh, it's very nice. I'm not usually, like, mango just has to be done right for me, personally. Kind of the same with grapefruit. Very nice, very fruity, and I'm very excited to warm it. I mean, honestly, like, warming these 3 together would probably be a really, really good mix. And then also throw in the Strawberry Bliss from the Easter collection. That's the other Easter collection scent that I love so much. But Sunshine Mango, I'm excited to try that out. And then we get 2 unplugged items. We get a scent pack in Summer Berry Melon. This was a summer collection brick last summer. It made its way into the catalog and it's available as a scent pack. If you have not tried this in the car yet, I currently have a Magic in Every Wish scent pack. Like, I stretched it and I put it like around, like it's hanging on my little blinker thing. I'm gonna stop talking now. But it's very easy to put there, and very nice in the car. And then we also get a scent circle in Berry Sweet. Honestly, you could hang this up on your rear view. You could put this, set this or hang this wherever you want to put it. And I think that these would be a really good mix. I have been loving the Berry Sweet. This is also a brand new release. And I knew I loved it from like the tester. And then I loved it, you know, smelling the full bar. But what wowed me was the performance of Berry Sweet. Like, it just had a really great performance that like I will continue to remember when thinking of this scent. I was very impressed. Up next we have, this is the last item. So this is the exclusive item, and I could not open this the other day whenever I did my haul because this item is going to be going in Maddie's Easter basket. And if she saw it, there's no way she would have let me keep it until Easter. Stitch. Also, if you haven't seen Lilo and Stitch, the collection finally has its time to shine in the spring and summer catalog. The warmer is actually the warmer that I have at my office desk back here. And the buddies, or maybe it's not both buddies, I think it's just Stitch. And then the fragrances and the fragrance flowers made their way into a permanent catalog. Finally, they get their time to shine. But we have a special buddy clip only available in the Whiff Box for March. Look at the packaging. It is scented in the Stitch Experiment 626, so it comes in his classic fragrance. And he is dolled up and he is ready for Easter. Oh my gosh. And look, this is my favorite part. I've been so excited to see. They did not skip out on his ears. That is the only part of the costume that you can take off, but that's all I needed. Because at first when we saw pictures, like, I didn't think that the hood would be something that you can take off. Oh my freaking gosh, I love him. And so then you can stick his ears back in and put up his hood. So he's got his little rainbow Easter bunny outfit on. It is a buddy clip, so he has his clip on the back. I absolutely adore him. And here's the back. He has the little bunny tail, of course. You gotta have the little bunny tail. He's scented in Experiment 626, which is a citrus. I can actually read it because you actually get a catalog in your Whiff Box. The scent description for Experiment 626 is: a character like Disney's Stitch requires the perfect formula, and this beaker full of Valencia orange, pineapple nectar, sugarcane, and sea salt mist is the sweetest catalyst. It says it's in the fruity fragrance family, but I definitely think it's more citrus. There is the full Stitch collection if you have not seen. Has its own page, and then the brand new Winnie the Pooh warmer, which of course I think is absolutely adorable. So we have the Aloha Ohana Scentsy warmer back. We have both the Angel and Stitch scents back, the two fragrance flowers, and the Stitch Buddy with the scent pack, which you can also purchase the scent pack individually just in case you need more. But yeah, that was the March Whiff Box. I always like to add up the full retail value to see the discount of what we're getting. It's a $35 box, so 3 Scentsy bars would be $18 total because they're $6 each. And then you get a scent pack, which is $7. You get a scent circle, which is $3. And then you get a licensed buddy clip, which I think runs at $20. I believe they run at $20 because the regular ones run at $18. $48. $48. This is a big savings. So if you purchase the Whiff Box just as the box, like normal purchase, you get it for $35. So that's already a $13 savings. But if you get this Whiff Box through Scentsy Club and use your half price credit on it, you get this for only $17.50, making it a savings of $30.50. So I have already put together a Scentsy Club cart, and it's different from the video that I did the other day. So if you already checked out that cart, it's going to be different than that one. I added in some of my favorite spring and summer products, fragrances, a big collection of things, and it's not just waxes. It has a little bit of everything, and it is enough to unlock that 10% off the entire order and earn that half price credit. So if you want to take advantage of this and just trust me whenever it comes to fragrances, you will click that link below. It will take you to my website to where you can confirm that cart, and it will like automatically add all those items to your cart. You can confirm, you can remove things if you don't like certain things, or you can add things if you want even more. But once you continue, it would take you to sign in or create a free account on my website. And then from there, you can click the little box of process my first order immediately. You pick the schedule that you want this order to process, and then there's going to be a special blue button that says choose half price item. And from there, you can add the Whiff Box for only $17.50. From there at the bottom, you're going to see your savings, and then you'll go through shipping and billing, and then that would automatically set up your subscription, your Scentsy Club subscription. But of course, if you just want that one order, after this has processed, you can cancel it. There's no cancel fees. There's no like wait periods. You can either cancel it or you can go ahead and edit it. You can edit it at any time. And if you add some of these waxes that are limited edition and that aren't going to be around for the next 5.5 months, once they retire, like once they take the Easter collection off the shelves, if you have Lemon Lime Fizz in your Scentsy Club, it will lock in. It'll get a special icon, meaning that it is safe thanks to the Always Get My Bar perk, because you had it in your Scentsy Club, and Scentsy will ship it with your orders months from now, even though this bar is not available to everybody. If you haven't seen my full video about Scentsy Club and all the benefits and how to work it, here is that link up here. But of course, you can find me on socials and I can help walk you through the process. But that's it. I would love to hear your opinions down below. Did you purchase the Whiff Box yet? This is limited edition, like it's limited, like it's like while supplies last. So if you know that you need this Whiff Box, please try to order it as soon as possible. It will only be available while supplies last or until the end of March. I'm super excited to see what's going to be in the April Whiff Box, and I would love to hear your predictions down below. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me for only $35 in March, and I will see you in the next one.